Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of two of the most popular AI-powered design tools, Canva AI and Adobe Firefly. If you're a designer or a creative looking to level up your designs in 2025, this video will help you choose the best tool for your needs. Starting with Canva AI, this tool has become a game changer for both beginners and professionals. Canva's AI tools are super accessible with features like magic resize, text to image, and background remover. It's perfect for anyone needing to create eye-catching social media graphics, presentations, and even videos. The AI streamlines the design process, allowing you to generate custom content in just a few clicks. Canva is also highly user-friendly, making it a great option for fast and efficient designs. On the other hand, Adobe Firefly brings the power of Adobe's creativity suite, combined with AI. It's specifically designed for creators who want high-end, premium design tools with advanced capabilities. Adobe Firefly excels at tasks like generating photorealistic images, enhancing textures, and even transforming sketches into polished graphics. If you're looking for more control over your designs and need advanced features for professional grade work, Adobe Firefly is the way to go. So which tool is right for you? If you're after quick, easy, and accessible designs for various projects, Canva AI is your best choice. But if you want advanced, high-quality tools for professional grade work and don't mind a steeper learning curve, go with Adobe Firefly. That's it for today's comparison. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome design content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.